Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my facial for my sister's wedding. As you can see, my skin is very dull, dry, patchy and tanned. So I'm gonna treat it all with Nature Essence facial kit. Today I'm gonna do a gold facial which is really good for bridal and wedding season. It is a 4-step facial and we get a pre-facial prep Detan Therepy peel off mask free with it, which is my favorite step because it instantly brightens up the skin. Price of this kit is rupees 260, which is 3 use pack, which means 80 rupees per facial. That is super duper affordable. So without any further ado, let's begin. I'm starting with Detan Therepy wipe off mask, which is pre-facial prep step. Apply a thick layer of Detan Therepy wipe off mask. Cover the face and neck. Leave it for 15 minutes. Massage the mask into your skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion. Then wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton, revealing visibly brighter and glowing skin. Now moving on to actual facial steps. So first step is exfoliate, cleansing scrub. Direction of use and time is clearly mentioned on each tube, so you can follow the steps while doing your facial. I'm taking a generous amount of the scrub and applying it to all over my face, but focusing on the areas more wherever I have blackheads or whiteheads. You need to massage it gently on your skin for 3 minutes, then wash with water. The fine walnut grains in the scrub gently exfoliates your skin. Second step is condition with glowing gold massage creme. The creme is enriched with essential oil to give your skin a soft, smooth and golden radiance. I'm taking a good amount of the creme and applying it to my face. Close your eyes and relax while you massage the creme into your face and neck with gentle upward strokes for 15 minutes. The essential oils in the creme makes your skin smooth and ready for step 3. Third step is hydrate with glowing gold gel. Apply the gel in dots over your skin. Massage the gel gently over your face and neck with your fingertips in upward strokes for 2 minutes. See the texture of the gel, it has really nice golden sheen in it. Relax as your skin absorbs the cool gel and gold sparkles. Get ready for step 4. All the details and product purchase link will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Last step is polish, that is glowing gold pack. It is a firming pack that leaves your skin with a visible golden glow. Apply the pack in a layer over your face and neck. To apply it, I am using my finger. You can use a brush also if you want. Close your eyes and relax for 10 minutes while the peppermint oil in the pack soothes and freshens your skin. Wash the pack off before it has dried completely and dab your face dry. My face is visibly glowing and brighter after the facial. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye.